What's up, you guys? As you can see, I am working at home like everyone else is, but I still wanted to create some content for you today so you can see how you can still profit at a time where no one really knows what's going on. No one knows what to do next. No one knows what they should be doing, or if they're up, down, left, side, right. There's lots of craziness going on, and in this video I want to give you some insights on how you can continue to accelerate and grow your business by using a couple of key strategies that we're still using for our clients right now that are working like gangbusters, because most people have taken their marketing dollars out of the market, which creates more opportunity for you if you stick around. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Okay, cool. So if you haven't already, if you're new to this channel, make sure you click the button below and subscribe to the channel, and then also comment down below what source you're using for data right now. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a source that we use for data that is by far the best data source that we've ever tested for our clients. And I want to make sure that you guys get the hookups for that. So I'll leave the link down below, but let me know which data source you're currently using, whether it's propstream, whether it's a guy on Fiverr, whether it's Clothier's List, or wherever you're getting your data. Comment down below. I'd like to chat with you guys and see where you're getting your data, see if we can help you get better results. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is at this time there's lots of madness going on in the market. No one knows whether they should continue marketing, whether they can still continue to do deals, whether they should hold off, or they should do more. They should be buying stocks, if they should be buying more properties. No one really knows what they should be doing. And one thing that I found by listening to a lot of CEO interviews for people that have survived the past recession, I personally haven't been through as a business owner of my own, so I can't give you advice on how to recession proof or future proof your business, because I haven't done it before. But what I did learn from CEOs that have had to navigate these troubling waters before is that one thing that they did consistently was double down on what their core skill was. Yes, they had to make some tweaks and some changes for the market and for what was going on, but when they doubled down on what they were already doing well and what they could profit on, they came out of the other side at a much better place than everyone else had. Kind of held back and said, I don't know what we should be doing right now. They, most people, they have, you really are on either side of the pond at this time. You're either like gangbusters, let's go, let's keep going, let's do more, there's more opportunity, let's take advantage of it, or you're like, I think I should hold off and, trying to keep some cash and see what's going to happen. You're really waiting for the stars to align. And all the CEOs I've listened to their interviews, all those people, they took the time to double down on what worked. Instead of waiting for the stars to align and waiting for the market to correct, or for them to have enough cash in the bank or a certain level of security that they're looking for, they doubled down on what actually was working, and they kept doing more of it while their competitors were pulling out. So I'll give you an example. If you're a wholesaler, you're a flipper, you're an investor, whatever your exit strategy is, whether it's creative financing now, which is working really well, you want to be doing more, because a lot of the iBuyers, so a lot of the Zillows, the OfferPads, those types of companies are no longer buying deals. So what that means is there's an influx in supply in your market. There's an influx of people wanting to sell their properties at a high, at a deep discount, and you can get creative with those. Whether you want to creatively close those, whether you want to wholesale them, whether you want to flip them, you have all the options, but you're never going to find those if you stop your marketing. So as you can see, like on this channel, like very marketing specific, very marketing heavy, because that's what my area of expertise is. I'm not here to teach you how to wholesale or do those creative strategies. I'll recommend the people that can teach you that the best, that have been doing it for years. What I've been doing for years is marketing. And what I know is at this time, marketing is cheaper than it's ever been. It's almost like it's on sale. It's easier to find motivated sellers. It's easier to find motivated sellers right now because people have stopped marketing. You don't have to go like you're searching for toilet paper and you have to go to 3 or 4 or 5 different stores. You can literally just run a simple campaign, whether it's just cold calling, whether it's just an SMS or ringless voicemail campaign, or whether it's running ads, and your cost per lead, your cost per deal is going to go down dramatically, because there's less people trying to reach those motivated sellers because they don't know what they should be doing. But if you as a savvy business owner says, hey, I'm already really good at closing deals, let me just double down on what I'm good at and let's increase my marketing, because it's cheaper, I can do more, or like I can keep my marketing going and get more with what I'm already doing. But whatever you do, don't stop the marketing. Because what happens when you stop your marketing is it's a flywheel effect. When you stop your marketing, you have to play catch up, and you don't want to be playing catch up while everyone else is trying to play catch up, because big brands are going to start spending hundreds of thousands of dollars and you can't outspend them. Right now, they're just trying to keep their doors open. And if you are a solopreneur or you only have a couple of employees and you have some cash reserves set aside, this is the time to invest in your business. The best return that you're going to get at a time like this is in yourself and in your business. Don't go out and try to find the best stock picks or to find businesses to buy or whatever it is that you want to flip. The best time to invest in yourself is right now, because this is where you can get the best return. You don't have to spend as much on marketing as you used to, but you need to spend it in the right places. And like I said, down below in the comments, I'm going to let you guys know the source that we use for data. But the best way to make sure that your marketing campaigns are effective right now is to get the best data. All of your marketing campaigns as a real estate investor are going to be data centric. Data is king. Data is the center of everything. Your cold calling campaigns aren't effective with bad data or bad phone numbers. Your cold callers get frustrated. You get frustrated. You're getting the wrong people. Same thing with SMS and RVM. You need good data. Running PPC ads or Facebook ads is the same thing that you're doing. Is just you're paying to gather data from Facebook on motivated sellers. So data is the center of every single marketing campaign that you're going to do. And if you want to have better results for your marketing campaigns, you want to make sure that you're investing in the right place in your business. The right place is in the data. So if you've been relying on kind of a sketchy source for data, you want to find a reliable one now, because this is the time where you want to buy as much data as you can to continue to run your campaigns. You don't want to run out of data at a time like this. You want to be able to double down and go faster and do more. And that way you have more effective cold calling, you have more effective RVM and SMS campaigns, and you're getting more deals in, you're getting more leads in. Even if you're in a place where you can't close deals right now, you don't want to come out of the other end of this with a dry pipeline. You want to continue marketing, even if it's just a trickle. You want to continue your marketing. You want to continue campaigns into market, so that way you're not playing catch up. You're ahead of the game. You're already ahead of the curve, and you can get creative on how to close those deals. Maybe you're doing sub 2 stuff. Maybe you're doing more creative financing strategies and less wholesaling and less flipping because the prices don't make sense, or because your county offices are closed, or a title company won't work with you right now, or you can't find the funds to fund a flip. So there's tons of things that you could be doing right now to still drive revenue for your business, for your employees, for your family. Like, now is the time not to stop. As business owners, we set out to tackle these troubling waters, and this is the time for you to rise and for you to stand and to continue on and keep your marketing campaigns going. So with the data, like what data is working right now? So the number one list that's working really effectively right now is an absentee list. So high equity absentees across the country are working really well, because there's lots of landlords out there that have multiple properties that their tenants don't want to pay rent, and they don't want to negotiate with their mortgage company on basically delaying paying their mortgage payments on their properties, or their margins are already so tight on a property that this is going to put them behind because they didn't have anything saved. This is a great time to scoop up absentee properties, whether they're in state or out of state, because landlords are in distress. So it's a great time. That's a great list that's been working really well. And then obviously your pre-foreclosures are working well. There's a lot of states have stopped foreclosures on properties, but it's still an effective list. People that are still in a motivated situation, that have a little bit of breathing room now and are willing to discuss getting rid of their property, so they don't have that problem coming out of the other side of this pandemic that we're facing. So there's a couple of things I want you guys to stay tuned. I'm going to do a couple of videos around data specific and how you can use data to improve your campaigns at a time like this. But in this video, I just want to basically spread a message of positivity. Like, keep going, keep doing what you're doing. As a business owner, like I said, you set out to lead people, to guide people in the right direction. And right now your employees are counting on you. The sellers out there are counting on you to help solve their problems. Your family is counting on you to continue to drive revenue at a time like this. This isn't a time for hey, social distancing, I'm just going to take a break for a couple of weeks, like a government mandated vacation. This is a time for you to double down and continue to do more. So I hope this video helps you. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe down below, hit the notification bell when new videos come out, and then comment down below. Let me know where you're using data. We'll have a couple discussions on what types of data is working for our campaigns right now, and I'd love to chat with you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.